Hi guys, in front of me is DOOGEE S Punk and let me show you how to do the fingerprint. At first, open the settings, then find and select Security and Privacy, scroll down and mark Device Unlock. Here select Face and Fingerprint, and at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, PIN code or password. Let me choose pattern, then re-enter it just to confirm. And now manage notification content, and here click on fingerprint. Now it's time to place your finger on the sensor. The sensor is located on your power button right here, so just keep tapping till it's fully added. Tap on done, and that's it. From now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.